Even before it has officially been announced, the Nikon Z90 is generating a level of anticipation rarely seen in the camera industry. Most camera releases come and go quietly, discussed briefly by enthusiasts before fading into the next launch cycle. The Z90, however, is different. Photography communities, forums, and social media are buzzing with speculation, rumor, and debate about what this APS-C mirrorless model could deliver. For many, it is not just a new camera, it represents a pivotal moment for Nikon, signaling a long-awaited return to a professional-grade APS-C segment and the potential revival of a legacy built by the legendary D500. To understand why the Nikon Z90 has captured such attention, it helps to trace Nikon's journey into mirrorless technology. When Sony aggressively pushed full-frame mirrorless cameras into the mainstream, Nikon found itself lagging behind. Canon responded quickly with its RF system, and Sony quickly cemented dominance in mirrorless innovation with the Alpha series. Nikon, once the undisputed leader in DSLR photography, suddenly appeared cautious and reactive. It was clear the company needed to both catch up and assert leadership in this new era. The introduction of the Nikon Z6 and Z7 marked the first serious step. These were not tentative experiments, they were deliberate statements of intent. The Z6 positioned itself as a versatile hybrid tool, suitable for photographers and videographers seeking solid performance across both mediums. The Z7, meanwhile, catered to professionals prioritizing resolution, detail, and image precision. While both cameras had room for improvement, they demonstrated Nikon's ability to adapt to the demands of mirrorless photography, signaling that the company was listening to its users and taking the future seriously. Everything shifted with the launch of the Nikon Z9. This flagship mirrorless body was more than just a competitor, it redefined Nikon's capabilities. The Z9 abandoned the mechanical shutter entirely, embraced a stacked sensor, and introduced a dramatically improved autofocus system. Coupled with professional-grade 8K video, the Z9 quickly became a benchmark for high-speed photography and cinema-level capture. It was embraced by sports photographers, wildlife specialists, and videographers alike, earning comparisons to Nikon's iconic DSLR flagships such as the D5 and D6. Building on that success, Nikon launched the Z8, a slightly more compact version of the Z9 that retained nearly all of its flagship capabilities. This strategic release allowed hybrid creators and working professionals to access top-tier performance without the size, weight, and price of the Z9. The Z8 was well received, praised for delivering flagship power in a smaller, more manageable package, effectively restoring Nikon's reputation in the mirrorless market. Despite these advances, a critical gap remained: professional APS-C mirrorless cameras. Nikon's prior APS-C releases, the Z50 and the retro-styled ZFC, were competent and stylish but fell short of professional standards. They lacked in-body image stabilization, advanced autofocus tracking, and the durability required for high-pressure professional environments. While they appealed to enthusiasts, they were not designed for demanding wildlife, sports, or hybrid shooting workflows. This context is why the Nikon Z90 is generating such excitement. It is not expected to be another mid-level APS-C model, it is anticipated as a true professional hybrid tool. APS-C sensors have long been favored by sports and wildlife photographers because the 1.5x crop factor effectively extends lens reach. A 300mm lens behaves like a 450mm, and a 400mm lens functions like a 600mm lens, providing critical advantages when capturing distant, fast-moving subjects. Until now, Nikon has lacked a mirrorless APS-C option capable of fully satisfying these professional needs. Competitors have filled the gap. Canon's EOS R7, Fujifilm's X-H2 series, and Sony's A6000 line have set benchmarks for APS-C cameras in terms of autofocus, speed, and feature sets. Nikon's silence has only fueled expectations for the Z90, with photographers eagerly anticipating a camera that could combine the speed, durability, and reliability of the D500 with the modern advantages of mirrorless technology. Rumors suggest the Z90 will feature a 33-megapixel APS-C sensor, a significant jump from the 24-megapixel sensors that have dominated this class. This resolution would place it squarely against Canon and Fujifilm rivals, while also offering benefits for both photographers and videographers. Higher megapixels allow sharper detail, more flexibility in cropping, and superior output for large prints, while also enabling oversampled 4K video for crisp, cinematic results. Of course, increasing sensor resolution introduces challenges. Noise at high ISOs and slightly reduced low light performance are potential drawbacks. Nikon is expected to mitigate these issues using its powerful APS-C processor, the same engine powering the Z8 and Z9. This processor handles vast amounts of data efficiently, enhances autofocus precision, improves noise control, and preserves Nikon's signature color science. Photographers often praise Nikon's natural skin tones, balanced contrast, and vivid yet accurate color rendition, qualities that help produce professional results with minimal post-processing. Video capabilities are another anticipated strength of the Z90. Rumors suggest oversampled 4K at 60 frames per second, along with high frame rate Full HD recording at 120 or even 180 FPS. For hybrid shooters, these features allow slow-motion capture for cinematic storytelling, sports action, or wildlife behavior, offering unprecedented versatility in a compact APS-C body. Speed is also crucial, particularly for wildlife and sports photography. Early leaks suggest the Z90 could achieve up to 15 frames per second using a mechanical shutter, and potentially 30 frames per second electronically. If realized, this would place the Z90 among the fastest APS-C cameras on the market. Coupled with high-speed autofocus and subject tracking, the camera could become a powerful tool for capturing fast-moving subjects in both still and video formats. One of the most requested features for a professional APS-C body is in-body image stabilization. Nikon's proven IBIS system, already featured in the Z6, Z7, Z8, and Z9, could make its debut in the Z90, offering up to 6 stops of stabilization. This would provide smoother handheld video, sharper long-lens shots, and better low-light performance without requiring external stabilizing gear, a game-changer for hybrid shooters who rely on portability and speed. Durability is expected to remain a hallmark. Nikon is renowned for magnesium alloy frames, robust environmental sealing, and ergonomic designs built for extended use in harsh conditions. The Z90 would likely continue this tradition, making it suitable for extreme environments, from rain-soaked forests to snowy mountains and dusty deserts. A comfortable grip and intuitive layout will ensure that photographers can operate it for long hours without fatigue, whether in high-pressure professional settings or demanding outdoor shoots. The Nikon Z90 is more than just a camera, it is a statement of intent. It represents Nikon's commitment to bridging the gap between enthusiast APS-C models and full-frame professional tools, offering hybrid photographers a body that does not compromise on speed, image quality, or durability. For many, it is the spiritual successor to the D500, a camera that defined a generation of sports and wildlife photography. The Z90 has the potential to bring that legendary reputation into the mirrorless era, offering modern sensors, improved autofocus, high-speed shooting, and professional-grade video capabilities in a compact form. Ultimately, the Nikon Z90 is more than just a new body in Nikon's lineup. It embodies ambition, legacy, and the evolution of mirrorless technology. It aims to deliver professional APS-C capabilities that meet the needs of modern photographers and videographers alike, offering speed, reliability, and creative flexibility in a single package. With the Z90, Nikon is not only responding to market demands but also signaling that it is prepared to lead once again, bridging the gap between enthusiast-level APS-C cameras and professional-grade full-frame systems. The excitement surrounding this camera is well-deserved, as it promises to set new benchmarks for performance, versatility, and innovation in the APS-C mirrorless world, potentially becoming one of Nikon's most important releases in recent years.